TBC LH2 at flight pressure and flight level.
Hydraulic pressure at 4,000.
2 minutes, 159.
Vehicle internal.
155.
Launch sequencer start.
$140.
FCS launch enabled.
137.
T-minus 90 seconds. The launch vehicle, payload, ground systems, and western range are go for launch.
120.
OCU's armed.
FCS count started.
T-minus 1 minute.
Engine start box go.
Rock, report range status.
Rock, range is green.
50 seconds.
Second stage LH2 secure at flight level.
30 seconds.
Status.
T-minus
Go
30
Delta.
seconds.
Go NeroL-82.
15 seconds.
Roll for ignition.
10, 9.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Delta IV Heavy rocket carrying the NeroL-82 mission for the National Reconnaissance Office.
You on the pitch over maneuver? Parameters look good on all three cores. Core booster is now throttling down to the partial thrust level. Partial thrust achieved.
You are hearing the voice of Rob Kesselman providing launch vehicle ascent data.
Now, 50 seconds into flight, vehicle is 3 miles in altitude, 5 miles downrange distance, traveling at 970 miles per hour. All vehicle systems look good at this time. Now at T plus 80 seconds, vehicle is now passing through max Q, maximum dynamic pressure. Mach 1, vehicle is now supersonic. All three RS-68 looks healthy at this time. Vehicle systems continue to be healthy. The second stage reaction control system pressurization valve has now opened. Now 125 seconds into flight, Delta is now 18 miles in altitude, 9 miles downrange distance, traveling at 1,800 miles per hour. Delta has now gone to closed loop guidance. Vehicle body rates are nominal. Three minutes remain in the booster phase of flight. Delta IV rocket now weighs just 1/2 of what it did at liftoff, burning propellant at a rate of almost 5,000 pounds per second. 1 minute until port and starboard booster engine cutoff. Vehicle systems look healthy at this time. The attitude control system, the autopilot has controlled all vehicle body rates to near zero. Approximately 30 seconds remaining now until the port and starboard booster engines cut off. Strap-on boosters are now throttling down to the partial thrust level. Strap-on booster cutoff and separation of the strap-on boosters. Core booster is now throttling back up. Core booster is operating as expected at the 100% throttle level. The upper stage lock system has now begun the boost phase chill down sequence to begin thermal conditioning of the RL-10 engine. 1 minute remaining in the booster phase of flight. Upper stage fuel system has begun the boost phase chill down sequence. Booster performance continues to look good at this time. Vehicle body rates continue to be near zero as expected. Core booster is now throttling down. And we have BECO, first stage main engine cutoff. We have stage separation. NED's deployment has begun. Pre-start on the RL-10. We have ignition on the RL-10, that's one. We have indication of successful payload fairing jettison.
This year, the National Reconnaissance Office celebrates its 60th anniversary. From its inception in 1961, the NRO has used its incredible intelligence collection capabilities to meet the nation's challenges. Let's take a look back at the agency that has pushed the envelope of U.S. space-based intelligence collection with courage and ingenuity.
This year, the National Reconnaissance Office celebrates 60 years since its founding in September of 1961. Thanks to our heritage, the NRO today has an unrivaled constellation of advanced overhead reconnaissance